and in accord with the laws of the state of Texas, I now pronounce you, Jonathan, and you, Catherine, husband and wife. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance towards you and give you peace. What now God has joined together, let not man put asunder. Jonathan, you may kiss your bride. Friends and family, Mr. and Mrs. Jonathan Dedham.